What's going on, people? Good morning. It's cold. I've just woken up and we're going to start getting busy with this golf, really. Yeah, not much today. I'm just going to try and swap over these slam panels, see what's good, and make one good slam panel out of two, basically. So, if you look at this one, I'm going to take the bumper bar off because we don't want that one. We need the one that's been cut for the intercooler. Yeah, take the lights off because we don't want those, and then see what's going on here. Something's loose over here, so I need to see what's going on there. Take that off because our other bumper didn't have this because of the front mounted intercooler. So take this, I don't know, support or whatever you call it off. And the lock looks damaged. I'm not sure if it is or what, but yeah, ours was fine, so swap that over. But yeah, I'm not going to show too much. Yeah, but that's about it, really. And then once we're ready to fit it on, then I'll probably start filming all that, because that's going to be boring anyway. It's just taking a couple of screws off, swap-ins, changing stuff over and stuff. So, hope you enjoy the video. Let's get cracking. Right, coffee break. Guys, you must try this. I know you probably struggle to get these in England, maybe on Amazon or something. But it's just like a wafer chocolate. It's actually South African. So try these out, guys. Especially when you're fixing cars like this, you need something that's got that amount of sugar content to keep you going. Because otherwise you'll end up just, bailing out. Hey, what can I say? So guys, fun and games. So I've taken off my old condenser because this idiot that put this screw in here decided to cross thread whatever this thing's called. I don't know the exact name. It'll come to me in a bit. I don't know, it's the exchanger or something of that sort. But anyway, decided to put a screw back in there and cross thread it. So plus, if you look at the condition of it, it's not the best. And even that way, you can see it's completely crooked. So mine was better, it was holding pressure. So I've taken that off my Golf. I mean, as I mentioned in my last video, guys, my Golf, the condition, I mean, look at the condenser, even how clean. It's like new, compared to, look at the radiator from this other car I bought these parts from. Look at that radiator, and you look at mine. Mine's literally like brand new. So yeah, it's one of those where trying to make the best out of two slam panels, really. So that's where we are now. We're just going to swap that condenser, put it on the other radiator, and start drilling holes in the slam panel and putting everything back together and stuff. So yeah, fun and games, I suppose. As you can see, it's all stripped up there, ready to rock and roll. So yeah, let's carry on. Right, people, as you can see, our slam panel is now done. I've had to swap and change a whole load of bits and pieces if you look everywhere here. So you can see my house is pretty much a tip, stripping and getting all sorts of stuff separated. But yeah, there's nothing much really interesting that was to show. It was just changing over like the the radiator. No, not the radiator, the condenser and all that. And yeah, a couple of bits and pieces. I put my fans from my car because the other ones, I mean, look how new mine are. The other ones were quite knackered actually, so I just thought I'll swap them out. And it's ready all to go on now. So let's get it on. I thought I'll capture this moment on camera at least, because I don't want to lose any footage of this actually going on. Right, people, here we go. Let's put the face back on you, baby. Let's get the face back on you. I just have to watch not to scratch anyway. Right, so we'll hang it there, and then we'll get it over. And there we go. nearly there. Something's stopping it. It needs to. There we go. There we go. And that is. Oh, look at how cute she is. No. Hey. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Eh? New slam panel, obviously. Nice and clean. Condensers in there. We're getting somewhere, aren't we? Hey? That needs to be tightened up and sorted, all over there. But yeah, pretty much as far as this goes, so far, so good. So I'll, put the screws at the top to hold it in nicely, and then get the bumper bar on here. Once the bumper bar's on, it'll actually hold that and that together, yeah. And as you can see, we fixed this thing. Was the mounts were broken in the one I bought. So that's what I was saying of, salvaging parts from both to make one really decent one. In the radiator, I'm not 100% happy with, but I just hope it works. I just hope there's no leaks or issues. But yeah, let's get it back together. Right. Yeah, that should work. Let's just get that on there. I'm not going to use that gun to tighten stuff up, because that thing, you strip threads when you tighten with it. So best thing, just put that to one side. So what I've actually done is I've taken off our cold air feed. We're not going to use that. I'm going to make one like soon. I'll probably make a video of that. I'm going to make my own air feed from there all around here, which I know is not that beneficial on turbo cars really, but it'll be a little project, a bit of fun, eh? So let's put our screw in there. I'm sure it's the right one, hopefully. And then once this is held, we can. So I won't tighten them fully, because I want them to both match each other, like the holes and stuff. Yeah, there we go. Need to give there a wipe, actually. I don't like that. Don't like that dirt in there. Take that out. I think that's right. Might not be, but yeah, that's correct. Sure it is. Yeah. Right, so that's that. I don't know if I have to. Oh, okay. I might have to do a bit of trimming around here. It is not touching, but I don't want it to touch. So we're gonna have to trim. Thinking around there. I don't know if my eyes will see. Yeah, I can see that nicely. Yeah, so it's just really to accommodate, this pipe, because I don't want that to get chewed up again. So at least if it's out the way, then our pipes will be nice and safe. You can see what I had to do with my boost map sensor. It's lasted 2015 I did that, and it's what, 2020, so it's been there 4 years or so. Still works fine. Don't know what that's for. I think my headlights. Yeah. Damn, rain started again. Anyway, this is how far we've got. We've got our front slam panel on the car, radiators, everything, all on there nicely. Yeah, so I took my normal front bumper panel, and tried to get it on there, and it's slightly bent. So I don't know if I'm gonna salvage that or just cut this one, which is a real pain in the ass, and I really want to avoid trying to cut it. But yeah, I've had to take out the lights, and here's all the bits and pieces that came off. Chucked all that, don't need that. So we get in there slowly, you know. We are getting there slowly. Just drill the holes out for the intercooler, which I'm gonna make a full separate video about the whole intercooler and all that. But yeah, that's how far we've got. I'm tired, it's getting wet, it's raining, so I've had to stop. But yeah, at least a little update for you guys. Anyway, take it easy. Cheers, bye.